what matters most in your brushing is the technique of brushing and how long you take to brush. So in this video, we are going to see how we can brush efficiently with a manual toothbrush. So for a manual toothbrush, the first few things is it's the best to use a medium bristle toothbrush. I would usually like a small headed toothbrush, and that's why I like this TP particular brand. But you can also use one from Colgate, which has got bristles of different lengths and different angles, and that can really help as the teeth is never straight. So it's in a curve, so it really helps to get around everywhere or around the teeth to clean it efficiently. If you're using a manual toothbrush, then what you need to do is, if for example we are brushing your lower jaw, you need to angle the brush head towards your teeth at a 45-degree angle. Now the biggest catch is that you're supposed to always brush in a circle, and that is quite hard because what happens is that brushing is such an autopilot that people are thinking about their day or something that happened, and then they start with brushing in a circle, but eventually they're doing either that or that, both up and down or back and forth. Both can damage your gums and enamel. And if you check this photograph out, this was of a young patient of mine who came in. She brushes so efficiently, she takes so much time off her teeth, but because she was brushing wrongly, she has damaged both her gums, have shrunk from her teeth, and the roots are showing in the mouth. So we do not want that, and for those reasons it's really important to brush correctly. The way to brush, like I was saying again, face towards the gum. In the lower it would be facing like this, and for the upper it would be facing towards the gum at a 45-degree angle, and then 2 to 3 teeth at a time in a circular motion, and then sweeping down in a circular motion and sweeping down. This is called as the modified Bass technique, and this has been around for a long time. For the teeth on the insides is where it's almost always difficult. It's really hard to brush on the inside in a circle. So you got to brush 2 to 3 teeth at a time. See, I can't even do it properly on a model, so imagine doing it to the mouth. 2 to 3 times, and then you got to sweep it up so that all these gaps are clean. And then the next 2 to 3 teeth, and then sweep up. For the front teeth, back and forth on the inside. Sorry, I'm not even saying that correctly. It's a circle on the inside all the way around and sweep up. Circle on the inside and sweep up, and same on the upper teeth as well. Circle on the inside and sweep up. And then for the front teeth like that, you got to keep it, angle it towards the gum in a 45-degree angle, and circle and sweep down. Circle and sweep down. So if you'd like to brush correctly with a manual toothbrush, that would suffice. The technique of using a manual medium brushed toothbrush, I always like to use a small headed toothbrush. So you've got to keep that towards the gum at a 45-degree angle, and then in a circular motion, 2 to 3 teeth at a time, and then sweep up, and then the next 2 to 3 teeth at a time, and then sweep up. The same on the insides of the mouth in a circular motion, 2 to 3 teeth, and then sweep up. For your front of the teeth, that is behind your back teeth, it's a very difficult area. Clean right to the gum and then sweep up, and then in a circular motion right to the gum and sweep up. Same on the upper teeth. Very difficult to reach areas is on the outside of the upper side, so it's a good idea to close your mouth so that you can get right behind everywhere. And then the insides of your lower front teeth as well, difficult to reach areas, so taking your time with brushing is a very good idea.